Hey, this is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks, and this is the 4-part Oru paddle. So it breaks down into 4 parts, as you can see, which makes it really packable. Pack really well, you can get it into your kayak bag. I really like this paddle because it's got a good combination of features. So it has ABS blades, which are very rigid, very stiff, but also very durable. And I quite like the shape too. It's nice and long and narrow, really good for kind of touring and cruising around. Not a sprinting blade, but most people aren't sprinting anyway, and it's nice to have something light. It's got a fiberglass shaft, so fiberglass is lighter than alloy, but the reason they've done that is to allow you to have this awesome adjustable shaft. So what you've got here is a mechanism that allows you to choose your length. It's between 220 and 230 centimeters of length that you get, and it allows you to choose your feathering angle, and I'm going to show you what that means in a moment. I'll just pop this one on. The parts all fit together really snugly, so you've got a solid unit and you've got drip guards on both sides so you're not getting drips. Now, what feathering means is you can have your paddle flat like that, where the blades are at the same angle, but to get a more efficient stroke, you actually want to offset the blade. So for me, I'm right-handed. I turn it that way a bit, I lock the shaft into place, and then I grip with my right hand, keep the left hand loose, pull through, and when I get to here, I'm actually going to rotate this because that then allows me to use my whole torso, even push with my legs, and I'm using my whole body in the paddling motion. It's awesome. It's a really efficient way to paddle, and gives you a great workout if you need it as well. So it tells you here what your angle of feathering is. So you can experiment with various angles of those blades, find out exactly what your sweet spot is, and then line it up next time you're using it. Now, I love that you can adjust the length of the shaft. So if you've got multiple kayaks or you've got multiple people using the paddle, what you can do is in your narrower kayaks, you can bring the paddle, a little shorter to get more vertical kind of strokes. I can't do it in the grass, but you get my drift. If you're paddling a wider craft, you can bring it right out so that it's nice and easy to get over, say, the side tubes on the inflatables. We found that 230 is actually a really good length for most inflatable kayaks. And similarly, if you've got a very tall paddler, they can have it a bit longer. A very short paddler might bring it in a bit shorter. Overall, the weight of this paddle is good. It's 1.2 kilograms. The shaft mechanism and the blades are offset by the lightweight fiberglass shaft, and fiberglass is nice and warm to touch, so it feels really good as you're using it. If you have any questions about the Oru paddle, please get in touch. This is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks.